Thank you, sir.
Yes, we had a very good meeting. It was a very pleasant meeting, and it was really an opportunity for me to discuss with her some of the critical issues that I think we need to look at in terms of her nomination to become a justice on the Supreme Court. And probably the two most critical issues in that context from my perspective were, first, judicial activism and what her opinion was about the role of a judge in terms of making law or deciding and applying what the law is. In other words, whether she calls the balls and strikes but does not set the rules. And we had a good discussion about that. And I also was very concerned and wanted to discuss with her view of the Second Amendment right to bear arms. And there are a number of questions outstanding still about the reach and scope of the Second Amendment. Not in my mind, but in American jurisprudence. I think we'll be litigating that for some time. And I wanted to discuss with her concerns and her beliefs about these kinds of issues. Like I say, we had a very good discussion. She was very careful not to prejudge any outcomes of any decisions that she would become involved with if she is confirmed to the Supreme Court. But she also recognized the important fact that a judge's role is not that of a policymaker, but that of interpretation of the law. At this point, I intend to be very careful to follow the proceedings. I'm not going to prejudge how I will vote in this matter until the day for our vote comes. We have a long process that the Judiciary Committee and the Senate itself will go through as we do the analysis and the background work to investigate her writings and her rulings. And I'm going to follow this investigation and the confirmation process here in the Senate very carefully and make my mind up at the conclusion of this process after we have all the facts before us.